All right, y'all, mini lobster sliders, let's go. Let's start by prepping your lobster tails by giving a nice little slit down the back. Boil some water and put the tails in and let them roll. These are the ingredients you'll need to make your butter mixture. So melt the butter, put a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and 2 pinches of chives. Give it a good mix. You're going to cut a hole in each of your King's Hawaiian rolls because that's where your lobster meat is going to go inside of. So make sure you're not cutting down to the bottom and you have a hole in the bottom though. So make sure you leave some bread in the bottom. All right, then go snatch those lobster tails out of that boiling water. Put that butter all through the bread, and then you're gonna bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes on 350. You're not burning it, just heating it up. That's what your buttered bread should look like. Then chop up that lobster meat once it's cool enough to handle. And you're gonna do the same thing with the butter. Put that all in that lobster meat. That nice little mix, saute it till it's smelling good, not too long. You don't want rubbery lobster. And then just pile it into these rolls. Y'all, the meat was falling everywhere, but you get the idea. Look at that. Enjoy.